Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting to Launchpad fast and knowing where the app lives. Open Launchpad from the dock or press F4. You can also pinch with 4 fingers. If the app came from the web, make sure it's in the /applications folder by dragging it there in Finder. Once done, having both Launchpad and a Finder window visible makes moving apps simple, so position Windows now and prepare to place the app onto your home screen or dock. Now you move the app where you want it. In Launchpad, click and hold the app icon until it jiggles, then drag it straight to the dock, releasing pins it there. If you prefer a desktop shortcut, open Finder to /applications, right-click the app and choose Make Alias, then drag that alias to the desktop. Make sure to hold Option if you need to copy rather than move in Finder. This gives you quick access without reinstalling or changing system settings. Finish by organizing and fixing any issues. To group apps, drag one icon onto another in Launchpad to form a folder. Name it for clarity. If an icon fails to appear on the home screen or dock, reindex Launchpad, open Terminal, run defaults right com. Apple. Dock reset Launchpad bool true and then kill all dock to refresh. If problems persist, make sure the app is in /applications and reinstall from the App Store if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.